Encountering the not authorized to join this experience due to privacy settings error in Roblox? This isn't a bug, but a security feature. This error occurs when your account or the game's privacy settings prevent you from joining. This is often due to age restrictions, friend-only settings, or private server configurations. Key reasons include your account being under 13 with restricted access, the game being set to friends only or private, or the game having region restrictions. Roblox uses this to protect younger users and ensure a safe online experience, complying with regulations like COPPA. Enhanced parental controls and AI-driven moderation also play a role in enforcing these restrictions. First, verify your age on your Roblox account and ensure your birth date is accurate. If you're under 13, ask a parent to adjust the privacy settings in the Roblox parent dashboard. If the game is friends only, you'll need to become friends with the game creator or an invited player. For private servers, ensure you have the correct invite link or code. Logging out and back into your account can also resolve temporary glitches. In rare cases, the game itself might have a configuration issue. Contacting the game developer can provide insight. Roblox's Roblox Guardian AI can also auto-detect and block high-risk joins, so ensuring your account follows community standards is crucial. If you are still facing issues, refer to Roblox's official support page for the latest updates and solutions.